In today's Bicentennial Barn restoration video, we have finally made it to the fun part of the slate roof restoration, which is putting on the slate. So, when I bought the barn, the 100-plus-year-old slate was at the end of its lifetime. It had to either be repaired or replaced, and repair proved futile as the old slate was just crumbling. So, most of what we've been doing so far is getting the insulation and ventilation system up to code, and it's finally time to put on the new slate now. So you can see in the demo the slates are installed with a staggering pattern of 1 inch up and down, basically because it looks cooler. Then there was these little slate greenhouse assemblies built around the outside of the building, and this is basically just to keep the slates up to a good temperature so they don't shatter when you're trying to nail them on there. And we built an insulated box for the same purpose, which the wall can pick up a bunch of slates, and it's got its own heater in there, so they're up on the roof, but they're not getting freezing cold, because we're doing this in the middle of the winter because it's cheaper. And it actually went very fast once they started putting the slates on, and they built custom copper ridge caps and end caps, and just a few more days later, and it was basically done. So we're very happy with the state of the new roof. It's almost done now. And this was one of the most intimidating parts of this entire project, because I knew squat about slate roofing before buying this building. But the last thing we need to do to get the roof finished is to get the cupolas installed, which is going to leave me with nowhere to sit while I make these videos. But more importantly, they're a solid 900 pounds each, and the prospect of getting them out of my driveway seems intimidating, let alone getting them 40 feet up on top of the barn. But we will figure out how to do that one way or another, and I hope to have that for you very soon. So I will see you guys next time. Peace.